see happily in family. Fun gardening. Legend and I did it again. You see, Legend, hydrangeas. These are all hydrangeas. Oh, enjoy you all this plant haul. Oh, we are driving out now. The trunk is full too. But we're only 10 minutes down the road from the house, so it's not that long. Let me take a picture of this sign. And that's where we are. Pine Forest Gardens. Shop. All right, you all. Oh, hostas. I mean hydrangeas. I came here for hostas and I'm leaving with hydrangeas. Oh gosh, and this one too, here. He's giving me hydrangeas for free, you all. This one too, I can carry this one back to health. You can put ferns that grew inside of it.
You got a free fern and a free tree.
Okay, I would take, oh, it's so into the ground. Poor babies. Oh, wow.
That'll probably make it.
Oh, it's going to make it. Trust me. I'm going to care for it.
I would cut this pot out from around that root.
Okay.
And not break the root.
Okay, that's what I'll do.
But before it's all over, this is probably going to be hostas or something else in there.
And then the prices on these, if you want to sell those instead.
You want to sell all of them?
Yeah, I love, yes, hydrangeas are amazing. So what's the best? I'm going to fit it all in that cart too.
I mean, wow, that's heavy.
And I'm only 10 minutes down the road, so whatever don't fit, I can come back.
Why don't you give me $30 for all of them?
Okay, that's a deal. Okay, let's load it all up. Look at this. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I get free hydrangeas. Free hydrangeas. 4 of them for free. 3 of them for $30. I'll take it. I'm so happy.
Okay.
Legend, are you happy too? Say hi.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're happy. Legend's even happy. You all see that? All of those are coming on with me. This is a Christmas present, a future birthday present. My birthday is in like 2.5 weeks. I'm so happy. Hi everyone. So if you haven't seen my video on pruning up this here topiary, that's where I put it, everyone. So I told you I needed the height. I did not go with the round circle. Besides that, I just went shopping and I'm surrounded by hydrangeas, which I got 2 of these, 3 of these for free. They're over there. We'll talk about the hydrangeas, but everyone, hostas. This is my hosta plant haul. Oh my gosh, you all. First up, I'm going to start with the proven winners. This baby, can you see these leaves? It's going to get massive. Massive. When I say massive, I mean massive. Here we have of course, it's an Empress hosta. It is going to get 3 to 4 feet tall. And it's hardy 3 through 9. So negative 35 degrees. Cold, it can take it, it'll come back. This baby is going in my ground. Next we have Earth Angel. Look at those beautiful leaves. I don't know the prices of all of these. I just know that I spent $110. They were like, some of them was $15.99, some was $12.99, some was $20 even. When I go to Pine Forest, which was my first time, I was already expecting to just pay whatever the price was. I respect the gardener. This here is a guardian angel. Look at those beautiful leaves curled. And so when I say I respect the gardener, it's a businessman. He works hard. He takes orders. You all excuse the cars. It's busy Friday. I do have a microphone. I haven't learned how to use it yet. But look forward to it. But I love genuine businessmen. I believe that you should pay them for quality work. And that's why I shop at nurseries. This here is a Sade or Sade or Sod. You know, I'm new in the garden. So I show you all. So for the experienced gardeners, you all can feel free to correct me if I'm wrong. This here grows 2 feet tall and 3 feet wide. So this Sade is beautiful. Next, we have another proven winners. Look at it. Autumn Frost. Look at it. Autumn Frost. Beautiful. This here is hardy from 3 to 9, negative 35 degrees. Most of these are pretty hardy. You all take your time, do your research on your hostas. Most of them will come back though. This is my hosta plant haul, everyone. Now, to the most important, I did this one already. To the most important part, I got these hydrangeas. 4 of them. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. Yeah, 3 of them or 4 of them he gave to me. You all, I just remember I paid $30. I have a bad memory. Anybody that knows me know I don't remember a lot. It started off where he was like, these are not sellable. I was like, everything is sellable. I'll take them. He was like, how about I give them to you for free? And I was just like, my heart was pounding. Beep, beep, beep. I was like, sure. I knew I was going to spend money on these hostas anyway. So I love that I'm still giving to his business. And so from there, I think the first 3, he was like, free. They were buried in the ground. And now I have 7 of them. Let me show you. I even got a free Fern. It's a hydrangea in here. It's struggling, but look at that. This is going in my Kobe's garden. Here's another one. As you all can see, I'm about to clean them up. I have my favorite pruners. I'm about to come in here. I also bought some gardening soil because let me show you all an example of why he did not want to sell these. Like for instance, this one was free. Oh gosh, hold on. You see, the roots are in the ground. So he recommended me not to break these, but to cut the bucket, which I'm going to do. And then there's no soil in the inside. So all of the soil ran out. And that's how all of these hydrangeas are. It's just no soil up in these buckets. They very light, but green growth means, sorry about the trucks, they're alive. This was my favorite plant haul of 2020. I love nurseries. I super duper love making memories with my son. Can't find my scissors, so these are my old pruners. They'll have to do. I'm trying to cut holes so get these bad boy roots out. I wish you would. Y'all don't laugh at me. I'm trying. Let's see if the cutting it will work. Oh, I got them out. It worked. Oh, as y'all can see, that's a good root. Need to replant that, pot that. It's raining though. Oh my God, I'm getting wet, so it's time to go on the porch. Found the name. The name of it is PennyMac Hydrangea. Nice. Now I'm splitting. I'm trying to split up the fern. Whew, it's hard work. Hard work. Cut into the plant. This is how I'm going to split. I'm unsure which portion belongs to the hydrangea and which one to the fern. So I'll just work with that. Hopefully it makes it. If not, it's okay. This is an example of what it looks like, but I'm going to pull that off. Try to propagate the ends here. One hydrangea down and a weed. How did I miss the weed? Oh, and I see it going in here. So, gotta get that weed up out of there. Oh, hard work. Look at this weed growing all in the inside. I'm going to show you all this. This is a weed that just grew itself. So this is what happens when you don't pick weeds. They will, everyone, sorry you can't see me. They will get thicker and embed all around this hydrangea. So I just pulled it on out of this. He gave these to me for free because he wants them to make it. Take that on off. I'm about to get dirty today, as you all see. Woo! Dirt in my face. Dirt is about to be everywhere. Subscribe. See you again. Bye-bye.